welcome to the BOSH Boys vlog, specifically the studio. Today we're in the studio and we're cooking up some wonderful recipes for you guys. But before I tell you what we're cooking, thank you for watching. And if you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel because there's loads more videos just like this coming your way very soon. So today's menu comprises of 4 dishes that we've written the recipes for. The first one that we've cooked today is this easy peasy squash tomato pasta, and it was so easy and really delicious. So yeah, watch out for that. The recipe is coming soon. And we've got 2 more lined up, ready to go right here. Now this one is a bit of an experiential dish. What we're going to be making here is mushroom keema rice bowl. You won't have heard of it because it's an idea that we came up with. And I think that this could be very delicious. It's the sort of thing that you can cook in one pot. This one, these are the ingredients all laid out for, it's not lasagna, it's a lasagna soup. So we're going to be replacing the regular kind of mincemeat that you'd usually have with a lasagna with lentils. And the idea is that it's going to be really saucy and it's going to be really soupy, and it's going to be this, it's just going to be broken into it. So it's a lasagna soup. It's going to be very delicious. Now, if you follow me over here, this is what we're shooting now. These are the ingredients for a Tutti frutti sheet pan pancake. Tutti frutti sheet pan pancake is just going to be a really easy way to make pancakes without having your whole house stink of vegetable oil, which usually happens when you're cooking pancakes. The idea, all of this goes into a sheet pan, you pop it in the oven, it rises nice, fluffy as anything, and all of these fantastic berries are going to add colour and obviously a lot of flavour. So that's what we're going to do right now. Tutti frutti sheet pan pancake. Let's go. "15 to 17 minutes, 200 degrees. Here we go. Oh my days. See you later, pancake. 17 minutes later, and here we are. Check this out. Boy, there we go. Nice. Smells amazing, man. What do you reckon?
Yellow.
Jeez. My days, look at that. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is our sheet pan pancake tutti frutti variety. It's super fluffy, it's super cakey, minimal mess, doesn't stink your house out with loads of vegetable oil smells. And what we have here is something that will make a marvellous Saturday breakfast.
It's so good. Woo!
So that's our cook day done for today. The first thing that we cooked today was this wonderful little morsel. This is an easy peasy squash tomato spaghetti. And the basis here is make a very quick, very healthy, very easy sauce, mix some pasta through it, and whack it in a bowl. It's absolutely delicious. Like I say, it's really healthy, and it's a sort of recipe that will end up on recipe repertoires all over the world for weekday meals. This is our mushroom keema rice bowl. Now this was a little bit of an outlier. We kind of thought to ourselves, would this work? Won't it work? We did it. It worked a treat. This is essentially a jumped up biryani. It's packed full of protein. It's got lots and lots of fantastic flavour from the cumin, from the ground coriander and the garam masala. Serve it with a little salad and it's just great as a lunch or great as a dinner. Next one. This was probably the most difficult one of the whole bunch. This was our lasagna soup, and the idea here is that you make a vegan ragu. We've subbed out vegan mince for minced up mushrooms, and it's a big saucy ragu that you put your lasagna sheets in, and the lasagna sheets cook within the ragu and just infused with flavour, and really hearty, absolutely delicious, the sort of thing that again you could make on a Wednesday night or you could treat yourself to on a Sunday night. And the last one that we did today was this. This is a sheet pan pancake of the tutti frutti variety. Now you could put bananas in there, you could put blueberries in there, you could flavour the batter, but essentially this is a big pan pancake. That is the 4 recipes that we've done today. Like I say, another 4 tomorrow. But all in all, this has been a pretty good cook day. So it's been a pleasure having you with us, and hopefully we'll be doing more of these. So if you've enjoyed this episode, then please do let us know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, click the like button and subscribe, because the more, the merrier. And also, if you've got any friends who you think might appreciate this kind of content, people who are adopting a more plant-based lifestyle or want to go full-blown vegan, then let them know about us, because we want to help. Bish, bash,